Hi, I'm Pam Heller, AccuQuilt's cutting expert.
And I'm Erica Bodker, AccuQuilt's creativity expert.
All right, once again, we're traveling to the land down under to introduce you to our second Australian themed die by designer Janine Lecour.
And this die is sure to make you hoppy. Do you have any guesses? Of course, it's the new Go Kangaroo Die. So let's take a look at the die. We're going to cut out some pieces.
All right, so here are all the shapes to make your kangaroo. First of all, it's on a 6x12 die board, so it's going to fit through all of our cutters, including that Go Me. There are 12 distinct shapes that would be nearly impossible to cut by hand.
Oh, they would take so long.
So long. The shapes include ears and the inside of the ears.
Yes.
And then the little nose and the body and the legs and the arms and the eyes and the pouch. All the things that you're going to need.
And a tail.
And a tail to make your kangaroo.
All right, now keep in mind that your kangaroo is directional.
Yes.
So you want to make sure you have them jumping in the right direction. Now we've already pre-fused our fabric, and you're going to see us, like if your body is right side up, then you want to cut your legs right side up and your tail right side up.
Yes.
So and that's going to face your kangaroo one direction. If you want your kangaroo to face the other direction, you want to lay all your fabric face down.
Correct.
So just keep in mind.
Yes, and within the die, there are left and right.
Yes, there are. So we're going to talk about that as Pam lays things out.
Okay.
And we've got cotton, but we are going to suggest you think about using things like felt and flannel to make your Joey stand out.
Now, I have subcut fabric, but notice, Erica, I didn't trim it. Why did we not trim it?
Because then you've got some real estate to use later on.
You do, you do. So that was the body and the tail.
Okay.
So here's the legs and the arm and the feet. So you're going to need two arms, 1 foot, because it goes right here.
Okay.
Okay, so, and these arms are going to be the same direction. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this right here, facing up, and then I'm going to cover this. Okay, and it's okay that I covered my little eye. How come?
Because it never hurts to have another little circle.
Well, you can cut 4 layers of free fabric as well. Okay, so I've laid this over the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Now, here's the pouch.
Yes.
Now, here is the inside of the ear.
Okay.
So we need a left and a right.
Oh.
And then we need, this is his nose. So one piece is going to face up or down, and then the other pieces are going to face up.
Okay.
You got to pay attention. You cannot do this while small children are around.
I see. Yeah,
and
you
then
must focus.
This one goes up, and this one goes down.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, then we're going to use a 6x12 mat.
Yes.
I'm going to just put that very carefully on top. Pam did such a lovely job arranging everything. Remember, if you haven't gotten a Go bolt yet, it is just the right thing to put in your pouch and take with you.
She'll be here all day. Okay. All right, now we're going to just slide this off. Sometimes with those embroidery pieces, some static builds up.
Yes.
Okay, so see, here's his other little leg. Okay. There's an arm.
Do I have her going to the right direction?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
You're good.
You know, I've met kangaroos.
Yes.
I had fed kangaroos out of my hand when I was in Australia. They gave us little kangaroo food, and we could take it and hold. We went to a wildlife preserve, and we could hold our hand down. It was so sweet.
Okay. This is the pouch, so I'm going to move his little leg back.
I love the little ears.
The ears are fantastic. Okay, there's the pouch. Okay.
Okay. Like this? Is it like
Yeah, yeah.
this? Or are they both behind?
No, you can make it however you want.
Okay.
Okay, and so look, see, this is the ear, the inner ear. See what I'm saying?
Yes, and then here's this inner ear. Oh, so cute.
And oh, we gotta look and see how the nose goes. Oh, it goes like this. This is the little face.
Okay, there's a little eyeball. There's a little
We have 2 eyeballs, and then I cut extra things
nose.
because I don't know about you, but I often lose the extra things.
Okay, I have this little mouth.
And then see, look, we didn't subcut our fabric down, so we have lots of real estate
Do we
here.
have enough eyes? Yes.
Yes, we have 2 eyes, ears, mouth, and nose.
Okay, you place them.
Okay. I'm looking behind me because they go right here. Okay.
Oh,
And then his little nose. It's right there. And look at his little mouth.
that little nose is the cutest, tiniest, eeny weeny little heart.
Yes.
Think of the things you could do with that little heart alone.
Yes, I think of that all the time.
Oh my gosh.
I love Valentine's Day. And look how
Oh my gosh.
that was to put together.
So cute. Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cute?
Kanga.
It's Kanga.
It's
Yeah,
Kanga.
we'll look for Rue. All right, so think about this. This is perfect to embellish hats and jackets and wall hangings and more. And think of pairing it up with the Go Koala die, also by Janine Lecour.
Oh, that's right. And since this is an applique die, of course, we've got the added value of 3 free downloadable embroidery files, which include the satin stitch, a motif stitch, and a blanket stitch. Oh my gosh, this would be so cute.
So cute, all
On
put together.
T-shirt. You're taking a family to the zoo. Everybody could
Yes.
have koala and kangaroos on their shirts.
Yes,
Oh my
I
gosh.
love it. I love it.
Or if you're going down under.
There you go. All right, quilters, you're going to be creating a troop of kangaroos in no time because here at AccuQuilt, we help you cut time
So you can quilt and craft more.